To submit work, I recommend getting a CamScanner, which is a scanning app, and Google Classroom. Once you're in CamScanner, you're going to press the picture button in the middle and then take a picture. Ideally, you have it try to make it level, but if you don't, they have these green bars to help you correct that to make it into a proportional shape. And then you click the little check button, and on the middle button you press share, and they have multiple means of sharing it. You could email it to yourself. Alternatively, so once you click share JPEG, and then you click open in, and it gives you many options to open in. You can email it to yourself. I recommend that you actually install Google Classroom and be logged into Google Classroom, because then you can actually just then select the Google Classroom app as your means of sharing and attach it to the appropriate assignment. Again, to review, you want to get the CamScanner app or another app, get your Google Classroom app. When you take your picture, make sure you have good lighting, hold your hand and camera steady, and try to be level above your picture. And that's it.